morning class 3 students and your parents. I hope you all are good and you have done the revision of nouns and you have done the worksheet also. It was based on common and proper noun and it also has a bit of collective nouns in the worksheet as in the chapter. Okay, so we have discussed it yesterday and I have given you a supporting video. What happens is if I have been made a new video for common and proper, or if I have been sending the old one, it will become like a monotonous thing. You are just having me as your teacher always, and I just wanted to give you a different platform, some animations, so that from YouTube, from that resource center, and I have given you that an extra video, supporting video to grasp the concept in more better way. So I have given you the worksheet. It consisted of 4 questions. I'll be discussing the answers plus I'll be sending the picture of the answers. Moreover, I don't feel कि इसमें कुछ ऐसा difficult था जो आपको करने में ज़्यादा problem आई होगी. Third question would be kind of what I would like to discuss more. Okay. So after discussing the worksheet, I'll be focusing on the revision of lesson number 1, literature, that is Rekha's new friend. It is nothing to do much in that chapter, but I tell you that read the chapter thoroughly whenever you have an exam or assessment in English, because I probably be giving you some content based MCQs, some questions, and I'll be reforming the word meaning into the form of MCQ or true false or things like that. So I'll be transforming a question into other forms. I'll not be giving word meaning as it is, as you have written in the notebook. जैसे आपने लिखा है मैं वैसा नहीं देना चाहती. I'll be transforming in the form of like true false or MCQs or one word answer like this. Okay, so read the chapter thoroughly. So we'll be moving on to that lesson number 1 of literature. Before that, let us discuss the worksheet. So write a proper noun for each common noun given below. I have given you common noun: city, friend, school, month, teacher, day, and you are supposed to write a proper noun for it. This type of question can be coming, and you must be knowing a list of proper nouns for that common noun. First was city, किसी भी शहर का नाम. City शहर बहुत सारे हैं, it is a common noun. City कोई भी specific city name आपको लिखना था. It would be very better if you are writing like आप अपनी city का नाम तो बहुत easily लिख सकते हैं because you write it often. Sirsa, you can write. Somebody has written Surat. Somebody has written Hisar. Somebody has written Rohtak. So आसपास के ज़्यादा लिखे हैं, but you can have a variety of answers. Friend, you can have a variety of names of your friends. You can write any name of your like friend or classmate or tuition fellow, somebody like this. School, Delhi Public School, the school in which you go, you read, you study, and there are so many other schools around there. So whenever you are writing a proper noun, please keep it simple and try to keep it simple and begin it with a capital letter. Moreover, जो मैंने आपको बात बताई थी, if it has more than one word, make sure कि हर word का first letter capital हो. Okay? Delhi Public School. So Delhi, D initial letter capital, public P, and school S. Then month, January to December, any month you can write there. Then it is teacher. So you can name your teachers. Anyone, your teacher can write my name. You can write Ma'am Charu. You can write Miss Ritu or somebody which you like the most. Day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We have 7 days, so any one of the 7 days you were supposed to write there. So it was a quite easy exercise to begin with. I kept it simple so that you build up the confidence that yes, I know something about common and proper nouns. Take the common noun for the proper noun given below. Common nouns आपको, for example, you have to basically select the category from which we have picked up the proper noun. First was Riya. It is supposed to be a name of a person, a girl basically. So person is the answer. Wednesday, it is a day. Ganga, it's a river, holy river of India. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, obviously cricketer. Hindustan Times, it's a newspaper. Okay, so I have basically given you the categories from which we have picked up the specific name. आपको वो category tick करनी थी, and it can become it is in the form of MCQs. So maybe this kind of questions can be coming there in the exam. Delhi is a city. It is basically a UT. We don't call it a city. It's a place, we can say. So then underline the common and circle the proper noun. In this we have 5 sentences. आपको common noun को underline करना था और proper noun को circle करना था. First one is she stays in Chennai. She stays in Chennai. Chennai is the specific name of a place, so it's a proper noun. इसमें कोई common noun नहीं है. If you are doubtful that stays is a common noun, no. Staying or stayed is a verb, action word. कहीं रुकना, ठहरना. My birthday is in July. Birthday is the name given to days when we are born. That is our birthday. So it's a common. So many people have birthdays. Their birthdays but July is a proper noun because it's a specific name of the month. Vivan and Vidhi play cricket in the park. So Vivan and Vidhi both are proper. Cricket and park common. Few schools remain open on Saturday. कुछ स्कूल सैटरडे को भी खुले रहते हैं. सो स्कूल इज अ कॉमन नाउन. बहुत सारे स्कूल्स हैं. सैटरडे इज अ स्पेसिफिक नेम ऑफ अ डे. आई टोल्ड यू नेम ऑफ डेज, मंथ्स, फेस्टिवल, ये सब प्रॉपर नाउन्स होते हैं. आई विल विजिट ऑस्ट्रेलिया इन जून. ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड जून बोथ आर प्रॉपर. सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज. मैं ये बात बताना चाहती हूँ, इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि दोनों चीज़ें होंगी एक सेंटेंस में, कॉमन और प्रॉपर. दे कैन बी ईदर प्रॉपर, ईदर कॉमन और कॉमन एंड प्रॉपर बोथ. सो आपको इसलिए किसी चीज़ को भी अंडरलाइन नहीं करना है कि इसमें कॉमन तो है ही तो शायद इसको करना होगा. लीव इट. जस्ट फोकस ऑन द स्टेटमेंट एंड जस्ट थिंक ओवर. अगर आपको लगता है इसमें कोई कॉमन नाउन है ही नहीं, मे बी यू आर राइट, उसमें नहीं होगा, लाइक इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. ओके. Fill in the blanks with collective noun. An army of soldiers, a choir of singers, a team of players, a colony of ants, a dash of wolves, that is pack, a shovel of fish, a school of fish can be there, a litter of puppies, and a bunch of keys or grapes. So this was your worksheet and I kept it simple to make you feel confident, and these type of questions may be coming in the examination. So be prepared and do not be don't be like that what to कितने extent तक करना है. Basically grammar is all about concept. If the concept is clear, either I ask MCQ or I ask true false or I ask fill in the blanks, you would be able to answer it. Okay, so I hope you all will have revised common and proper noun. Then moving on further to lesson number 1 of literature, that is Rekha's new friend. I'll be giving a test worksheet for it and you have to do it in the presence of your parents. It is basically about a girl, Rekha, who was missing her friend Manu. Now, I'll be not reading the chapter again. You have to read it again for yourself and just keep the minute details with you, because these type of details can be used in the form of MCQ or one-word answers. So the word meaning, the girl Rekha was feeling sad because she was missing her friend Manu, who had left the school. Now, as it was the first day of class 3. So I can also ask in which class Rekha was studying, like कौन सी class में थी. You should write class 3, or it can be in the form of MCQ also. So why she was sad? She was missing Manu. So these type of details you should keep in mind and you should have that idea कि मुझे इसके लिए क्या लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay, then a new girl came into the school, Alice, with the teacher Miss Anita Thuang. So these names should be kept like properly in the place. आपको ये नेम डिटेल्स याद रखनी होती है हमेशा whenever you read a chapter in literature. Then she was introduced. She was from Bangkok. Again the detail. Where was Alice from? From Bangkok. Okay. So these type of details, keep gathering them. And then she introduced herself. Then Rekha and Alice became good friends and they shared their lunch. They had a school tour. So this was Rekha's new friend, and then she started feeling good with Alice. In the last end of the chapter, I thought there were 2 basic details given. Alice brought pasta and fruits for lunch and Rekha brought idlis for lunch. तो चैप्टर्स में जो छोटी माइन्यूट डिटेल्स है ना, आपको वो याद रखनी है बेसिकली, बिकॉज उसमें से ही मैं कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव बना सकती हूँ एंड यू मस्ट बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. Now talking about the word meaning and question answers, I will be giving 1 or 2 questions for subjective paper. But the word meaning portion I have already told you, word meaning को मैं किसी भी फॉर्म पे दे सकती हूँ. I can tell you the meaning of the word in the form of options और आपको correct meaning पे टिक करना है. I can give you the fill up form also, and I can ask you the simply what is the meaning of this word. So in all three forms or in the either like one of the forms I can ask the word meaning. Talking about the book work का ऐसा कुछ compulsion नहीं है, because book work में अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे, the book work we had done is basically about what we have read in the chapter. उसी में से वो MCQs और fill-ups और take the correct answer और write in sequence वो सब उसी में से ही बने. That is why I am telling you, अगर आप chapter को बिल्कुल अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे, you will be able to answer each and every question of the literature portion. Okay, I have given only one chapter, so it would not be so difficult to revise. And learn lesson number 1. I'll be giving a worksheet, and that's it. You must be excited for the first, online exams. So I hope you are preparing very well, and that's the end of the session from my side. I will be, giving the worksheet in the form of test you have been given in last session. जैसे आप पहले test देते थे. So if you have a query, please consult me and give your test in the presence of the parents and ask them the questions to when you are not understanding the questions, don't ask for a help, okay, because इतना ज़्यादा difficult नहीं होगा, it will be easy and I have kept it so simple. So read the chapter first. पहले आप chapter पढ़ेंगे, फिर आप notebook खोल के उसके content को learn करना start करेंगे. Okay, so goodbye.